Hi fools, Dan Carroll here. Now for many investors, there's hardly a better feeling on the markets than finding an under-the-radar stock just before it blossoms. Now the medical device industry is home to several top stocks, but which up-and-comers should you be watching for? Let's check out 3 of tomorrow's rising stars. Now, Israeli imaging device firm Given Imaging has had a tough 2013 so far. The company's shares have waxed and waned year to date, but that doesn't make this stock any less attractive. The firm's flagship product, the PillCam, a digestive imaging capsule, has picked up strong sales recently. It has even been seeing revenue increases in the United States, where Given has recently struggled. Now, Given sells the majority of its sales overseas, and it's done a very good job picking up regulatory approval in places like Europe and Japan. Now, it's also got regulatory approval pending in the US for its PillCam colon variant and another variant of its current product. Now, if the PillCam takes off in the US, all will be going very well for Given. The company struggled a bit recently, but the potential is big. Now, moving on to number 2 is Abiomed. Abiomed is a cardiac device maker that has definitely not struggled in 2013. Shares are up more than 60% year to date. However, the company's long-term future is also attractive. Abiomed just recorded its 15th consecutive quarter of double-digit revenue increases. Even its earnings fell a little short of analyst projections. Now, rising costs have hurt the company's earnings recently, but demand has been surging for its product. Its Impella heart pump was recently implanted in its 15,000th patient in the United States, part of a surge that has powered the company's U.S. revenue. Now, Abiomed is also looking to expand overseas, but it's really in the U.S. that this company has thrived. Several major insurers are now covering Abiomed's products under coverage packages, and the big picture is looking very bright. You can't expect 60% growth every 6 months, but Abiomed is looking like a strong long-term player. Now, our final contender here is anything but an under-the-radar stock, but it's certainly a rising star. Mako Surgical's had its share of detractors recently, but after a terrible start to the year, the stock's up year to date. Now, this is one of the most recognizable names in the device industry's most innovative business, robotic surgery. Now, robotic surgery has had many problems this year, particularly with Intuitive Surgical, Mako's larger cousin in the industry, which has struggled from bad PR and falling sales. Now, Intuitive's shown just how evolutive that the robotic surgery industry can be, but Mako's finally showing signs of life. This company struggled to find profitability yet, but it's on pace to sell between 45 and 48 of its Rio systems this year, and just posted a 19% revenue growth in its most recent quarter. Mako's struggled in past years, but it looks like it's finally turned the corner. I'm Dan Carroll, and if you're looking for more, check out Fool.com.